What do you got? What is that? What is that in your hand? Show me what you got.
Baba.
Oh, yeah? Let me see your card. Is there cars on there? Is there cars on that? What's on that? Say thank you, Gigi, for my card. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? No, too busy getting a snack. What's on the car? What's on the front? Who is that on there? Is that Lightning McQueen? Is that Lightning McQueen? Where? Say cars.
Guys.
Good job.